to you from Satislo Studio with an update briefing on Satislo STEP and service offering. What you see on my head is our latest tool that we're planning to deploy for remote support for our customers. It's called an HMT, or a head-mounted tablet, and it basically is a technician in a box in my description. This one, the format is RealWear, and we tie it to TeamViewer Pilot. So what happens is our guys at their home office can see what your guys are seeing on a machine. We're communicating verbally, and we also have an augmented reality feature. That's this reticle in front of me. So I'm going to attempt to show you and demonstrate the headset. So for example, let's say I'm working on this PLC controller here. Zoom in. Dan, can you hear me? Tell me what wire not to cut. Aha. See the X is placed. Also, this is geo-referenced. So once an item is indicated, as I move my head, the mark or the circle or the indicator stays isolated over its origin. It's pretty remarkable, really. This is off-the-shelf technology. I think it's going to be a really important tool, not just because of COVID, but if you've ever paid for a service technician to fly across country to solve issues in your lab, you can really appreciate that. Now, some of our customers aren't going to be so comfortable with the head-mounted display. The same technology comes on a tablet. So each lab, I believe, gets 2 tablets, and I think 2 headsets is the plan. All of the Satislo documentation is included both in the headset and the tablet. It's voice recognition. You can say open orbit 2, electrical schematic, page 4, zoom in, and again, it's going to be geo-referenced to either your head or your movement on the tablet. And we're deploying it now because it's going to save time, and it's going to save money, and it's going to improve our overall customer's experience. Now that's not all. In addition to that, we're changing a few things in STEP. And I'd like to introduce you to the new Senior Director of the STEP Department, Joe Michello. How we doing, Joe?
Pleasure, Steele. Thank you.
So that's pretty exciting. So tell me how and why your role is new, how in comparison to how we did it before.
Yeah, so Satislo has identified that we need a dedicated STEP team. Previously, we've intermingled STEP and service together, and it's a tough item to pull off.
Yeah.
We can't dedicate exactly the way we want it to be by doing it that way. So we've pulled out various technicians with skills that we identified as being perfect for STEP.
Yep.
And we have a group of 6 technicians as of now to just do STEP service.
Right, and that's all they do.
That's all they do.
So in the past, I think we were borrowing from the service team, and it may have added to an ever-changing scheduling environment. So I think this is an effort to streamline that. You have other new tools, I think, from a scheduling standpoint?
Sure, we have new technologies coming out. One of them is going to be a schedule that's visible to the entire company of Satislo.
Okay.
So if you're talking to a salesman, customer service agent, anybody could look on that schedule and find out where a technician is going to be.
Okay.
One of the other things we're going to be doing is what our customers actually identify to us is receiving reports and checklists on site. So we are pushing technology to do that so we can provide that at the end of a call.
Just in summary now, STEP is in reference to scheduled periodic maintenance that we are physically on site doing. It generally includes all of the parts, and it's generally a monthly program is mostly how we're selling it. So this isn't in reference to emergency service or installation. This is just for PM. I think we are making new steps to streamline that process, and once again, they're just additional efforts to get us to the objective of creating a world-class service and support organization here at Satislo North America.